iPhones stand out as some of the most iconic devices in the industry. For many, an iPhone remains an iPhone regardless of its age. But its enduring software support and timeless design, even models released years ago, still hold their own. Hey, it's Arel from Yugatech, and today we revisit the iPhone 14 Pro and figure out if it's still a solid contender in 2024. How does it compare to the latest iPhones? Let's dive into this video and find out. Launched in September 2021, the iPhone 13 Pro's design surprisingly remains relevant in today's smartphone landscape. The stainless steel frame and ceramic front and back panels contributes to its sturdy build, embodying Apple's timeless design language. Compared to smartphone release in 2023, the iPhone 13 Pro still competes in terms of build quality. However, the absence of a Type-C port, now present on
iPhone 15 Pro models,
is notable. You can address this issue with affordable third-party dongles available online. Note that the polished aluminum frame is prone to scratches and fingerprints, so check carefully when considering a second-hand purchase. The iPhone 13 Pro offers two display options, a 6.1-inch display and a 6.7-inch Pro Max variant. Both features a 120Hz ProMotion display initially seen in iPad Pros. Focusing on the iPhone 13 Pro Max's 6.7-inch Super Retina XDR OLED display with 2778 by 1284 resolution and 458 ppi, it remains competitive in today's market. The display is sharp, accurate, and bright, reaching up to 1200 nit speed brightness. The only dated aspect is this, the notch, a distinctive feature that places it unmistakably in the older iPhone 13 Pro generation. The stereo speaker setup provides immersive and loud audio with a balanced soundstage and noticeable bass for casual video and audio streaming. The iPhone 13 Pro and Pro Max boast a triple rear camera setup consisting of a 12-megapixel wide, 12-megapixel telephoto, 12-megapixel ultra-wide, and a 12-megapixel selfie camera. While lacking some of the flashy features of newer iPhones, the camera setup handles various scenarios more than usable. Colors are accurate, details are present, and portrait mode effectively separates subjects from the background. While lacking extreme zoom capabilities like say the S22 Ultra, the 2x telephoto and ultra-wide lenses deliver satisfactory results. Night photos exhibit decent quality, although there's a notable noise in ultra-wide night shots. The iPhone's standout feature is its integrated camera app, ideal for social media sharing. Performance-wise, it still remains solid for day-to-day tasks even after almost 3 years. Gaming is still enjoyable thanks to optimized games you can download on the App Store. Occasional hiccups may be attributed to the iOS 17 updates, likely more being of a bug rather than a performance issue. Equipped with a 4352 mAh battery, the iPhone 13 Pro Max capacity may seem small, but software updates and optimizations allow it to last a full day of average use. And after 2 years of heavy usage, the unit we have still remains at 87% battery health, showing minimal throttling. Charging from 0 to 80% with a 20-watt brick takes approximately 35 to 40 minutes, which is pretty decent for its age. For connectivity, there's 5G, Wi-Fi 6, Bluetooth 5.0, and all the standard connectivity sensors. For security, Face ID is present, which I personally think is still the golden standard of biometrics. To wrap up this video, if you are considering entering the iOS ecosystem without breaking the bank, the iPhone 13 Pro is a solid choice. With features and specs almost on par with the current iPhones, it's likely to remain usable for several more years due to Apple's extensive software support. While it might not outshine the latest models, the iPhone 13 Pro offers good performance, a quality display, and capable camera perfect for social media postings. Priced at around 35,000 pesos on Facebook Marketplace for the 256 gigs iPhone 13 Pro, it presents a compelling option compared to some upper mid-range devices. Note that we don't encourage you to get smartphones from unauthorized resellers But if you can cop one of these at a price that you think is feasible, make sure to do your research first so you don't get scammed. You can check out our video for that right here. And there you have it, guys. What do you guys think about the iPhone 13 Pro in 2024? Do let us know in the comment section below, and if you find this video helpful, be sure to drop a like, subscribe to our channel for more content, hit that bell icon so you won't miss any future uploads, and don't forget to follow us on Facebook, TikTok, Instagram, Twitter, and visit ukitech.com for the latest tech news and reviews. Once again, this has been Arel, and I'll catch you guys in the next video.